Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can extract audio from a video on CapCut PC. You can just select your video here, right click, and then select the extract audio and delete the video. Or you can also go to audio and select extracted audio and import a video, and it's going to just extract the audio, and you're just going to select it and place it here. There's no audio on that video, so I don't know why it would show up at all, but that's where your extracted audio will be. It also will say the date. If you extract more than one, it's going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!